Hey guys, Joshua Peterson Electric. Second part of this video for Haiku fans in January 2018. This is going to be the module you're going to have to wire up. You are snapping into the motor and the light kit right here. It's fairly monkey proof. Best I can do is show you that way. And then you're going to wire in your hot and your neutral. Slip that into its socket there. Plug this in. This is now the power feed in. And this is for the light. You do have to ground your ground wire in here. If you have a 2-wire in your house and no ground, you should have a ground on this fan. So I don't know if you have to run a separate EGC or what, but equipment grounding conductor from somewhere, but you should. So anyways, once that slips in, you snap this harness piece on. You slip up your kit, which is gonna be your house right here, your canopy. And you're gonna go ahead and get this turned in. I'll go ahead and do the other 4 screws later. But when you stick this on, is an LED tape. This has to be in order to secure, to complete the circuits, and that'll snap in. They do have a kit that has a knuckle that you can keep if you have more of a pitch. This is about a 20-degree pitch. If you have a 30, 45, or 60, you're gonna need that knuckle in order to bend it, and Haiku has that. This is a 4-foot down rod, right? Actually, excuse me, this is a 60-inch down rod, 5 foot down. Go ahead and go down. You need to also keep in mind that when you are putting in the module, they do have a separate piece that you can install that is a Wi-Fi for your phone. They do have this switch right here that also acts like a remote, but it's from the switch of the wall, and you will have your 3 wires here to control for your light, fan, and neutral there. So keep that in mind. You can install this as well, and this would go, in this case, I have to change this out to 4 switches as a 4-gang decor. This is my hot for my black. My red I won't need. I have a switched outlet, and the other one is switched for the can lights. So anyways, you'll put this in. You might as well at that point put a dimmer on your cans if you want to do that, and then you would change out that whole plate to be a 4-gang. Those are fairly hard to find. I don't think you'll find that at a box store. Usually I have to special order those 4-gang or 5-gang style decor. But keep in mind, read your instructions. You don't have to have this and use this to make it work. You can simply keep using the remote right here. Harness it on the wall where you want. But you can simply use this remote just by itself, and we do that all the time. So again, great fan. Go ahead and give them a shot right there. Here's the bottom view of it. Really nice. That light will be super bright once we get it running, and the speed on it as well. And this is our trestle ladder to get up. We can get up to 22-foot ceilings with this. So anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. See ya.